Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change difficulty level in eFootball. It's pretty simple. So for this you need to start a match. So click on match at the bottom left corner and then you can choose any match you want. Just choose a random one. So I will click on this option called the trial match, but you can choose any option you like, and I'm going to play against a random team. So I'm just going to choose random and I will click on next. Once I do that, this is going to be my team. Now what I need to do is click on the setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once I click on the setting icon, the second option which shows me the setting buttons, click on it. From over here, you can choose the option called match level. Click on match level. So right now my match level is regular, which means it's going to be easy. If I want it to be super hard, I need to click on superstar. And if I want it to be super easy, I need to click on beginner. So you're only going to be given these three levels. To unlock these other level, you need to play on PC, alright? So I'm going to go for regular because I just want to play normal match, but you can choose whichever match level you want. Click on done, click on back, and click on next, and our match will start. So that is how you guys can change difficulty level in eFootball. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.